This is a very exciting moment.
Now plug it in.
Would you plug it in, please?
Really, it's a lot of it is about just lifestyle and living for us. So our existing eGEN batteries, while they were sufficient to function, were not really giving us the power we needed to live comfortably without thinking about it. And the big impetus for moving to lithium is sort of the ease and simplicity of having the power to live off-grid without having to always think about charging the batteries, constantly running the generator to keep them topped up. So having the freedom to be off the cord.
A lot of people ask us about RVing off the grid, boondocking, dry camping, all the different ways it's referred to. And when it comes to batteries and solar, one of the most popular common questions we get is, how long does it take for solar or more expensive battery investments to pay for themselves? And we always tell them that they pay for themselves on the second day, when you don't have to start your generator up in a beautiful, quiet, wild location when normally you would have had to run your generator every day.
Right.
And having more, basically a bigger battery bank, a more robust battery bank, and whether it's a higher end or a larger battery bank, there's only so much room available. So in the amount of space available, we stepped up to lithium because we are now getting 2.5 times the battery bank in
usable power.
In usable power in the same exact amount of space, and it's the most we could get there.
Mm-hmm.